Hi y'all, so as you can see I'm on the motorway right now. Look at how bad this, yo. Did you see how bad the road was? Did you see how bad the road was? So anyways, I'm on my way to Ash Motors. This is the motorway. I'm on my way to Ash Motors right now. I don't know how the video is gonna go, so stay tuned. And like this video, subscribe, and I'm sure if this video is good, I'll put it out. So yeah. And as you can see, it started drizzling. We're here at Ash Motors. I need to get some fuel as well, but we're here at Ash Motors. Yeah. I'm driving to Ash Motors. Look at the owner, look at Lloyd. Car is so low to the ground, my days. If you don't know, this is my E93 335 IS. Don't mind the dash, changing that soon. Those arrows too, don't mind them. I know what they are. So I'm at Ash Motors. If you need anything for your car, done to your car, as you said, car maintenance, spraying, performance tuning, collision repairs, executive auto detailing. Look at the number, call him. Tell him Tim sent you. So I'm experimenting on the car. I want to change my rears to 17s and possibly maintain the front, go for a whole look. So let's see how this turns out. So we're trying it with these. These are so cold. So like I get money, I go buy them off you. My days. How do these look on my car? New rims. New rims. They are sick. So yeah guys, I was joking, I haven't bought these, but I think these are really sick rims. I'm just trying them on so that I know what to do, because I'm trying to get smaller size on my rear because my tires keep rubbing on the inside, and I need to resolve that. And this looks like it's the way forward. Like, I think these rims are hard, man. The front I would maintain. Like, I want to get two different styles, and now I know how this is going to be. Yeah, like imagine this. So as you can see, this is undergoing some maintenance. I baited you guys. These rims are what I put on my car, so it's coming back here. I just wanted to see how it looks on mine. I think I like it, but it looks better on this. So they are doing some maintenance work on the car. Yeah. So, I mean, if you're liking this video and you're seeing what I'm doing and you like it, kindly subscribe, like the video for content like this. So this guy is very, 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 very stock. And very soon, knowing the owner is going to be even more beautiful. So this is one of the first times I'm using the Timsintim stretch. And let me roll the windows up. So this is one of my first times using the Timsintim stretch. And look at the road. Gunning a little. But yeah, if you use this stretch, comment how fun it is to drive here. This is my first time, second time actually using this road. heading to another workshop. Hopefully that too is also fun. If you're liking the video, please like the video, subscribe. I'm trying to bring you content. I could do a launch from here. But I won't. So I made it auto detailing. If you know the owner of the M5, he owns this, and he owns the E36 as well. Look at this. Look at this. With the BBSs. This is the cleanest E36. If you know anybody with a cleaner E36, put it down below. It just needs to be washed, but look at how clean it is. Sits really nicely. Man, I've told him to please not sell it, but if you give him a good offer, I'm sure he'll take it. Look. As I said, it needs to be washed. I've seen this car when it's washed and it's really clean. Look at this. It's been in one of my videos before, but I'm sure he'll bring it out one of these Sundays again, and you'll see it as even cleaner. So we're leaving here now. Let's see what's happening next. Look how quiet and nice my baby is.
Maybe the engine warms on.
Craziest Hilux. The GR. What do you guys know about the GR? Hilux. We're gonna hear the hard cut. Have you ever heard a Hilux sounding like this? You've never heard a Hilux sound like this. It's amazing, man. RS5. Need one of these.